So friends, sometimes users wants to create different types of profile for their different types of program, and so they can select as per their requirement. They can select the profile for the specific program, but unfortunately in this switcher there is no such kind of profile making options, but using a tricks you can do it easily. So let's do it. Suppose here make my switcher first ready. Suppose key 1, key 2, key flex key 1, flex key 2 is on, multi-view is like that, and I want to save this current profile in my pen drive. So to do that you have to go file menu is open, then have to go file directory, type will be all, and file directory control nothing, file directory would be system volume, means main directory, root directory. Then come back to the above page, go to the save, press enter. The by default name of this profile is data.all. If you want to rename it as per your program, then press F3. Here you can see overwrite, rename, so press rename, and using rotary switch you can write anything by using this F4. Suppose it is 0 data, name is 0 data, okay, then press F3. So current status of this switcher, including key, events, multivier, everything, whatever in this switcher currently right now in this position, everything is saved in 0 data as a file named 0 data into the pen drive. Now I am changing my switcher profile, suppose on flex key 3, flex key 4, and also changing my multi-view layout. Channel 1, you can see multi-view layout is like that. So in this situation I want to save it again in another name. It will work as another profile. So to do so have to go file, same process, file directory, to go to the root directory, it is already in root directory, then come back to previous page, go to the save, again data.all. actually data.all is the default name of the switcher. You can rename it pressing F3, overwrite, rename. The previous file was 0.data. Suppose this file I am naming it 1.data. 1.data, okay, done. Then press F3. So this profile is now saving into the pen drive as another profile, name is 1.file. So in this situation you can see the multi-view, keys, events, etc. Now I want to save my previous, I want to work on previous profile. So for that go to load, in file menu, load, type all, in directory you can see the name, you can see 0 data.all, 1 data.all, two data files are there. Last one was one data. So previous, I want to roll back on previous one, so have to go in 0 data. Just press enter. It will take time, 30 seconds, at least 30 seconds time. Data loading, you can see the multi-view will change. Yes, you can see multi-view change, keys will be changed, everything, and it will ask for restart, and after rebooting it will come back to 0 data dot all in this profile. So in this way you can make different types of profile by giving your individual name of the data file, and keep it in a pen drive, and select one, and select any one as per your requirement. Still it is working. Flash verifying, it will ask for reboot. Yes, ask for reboot, so have to press enter. Rebooting. After reboot it will come back to 0 data or all. Again, if I need to come back in the profile of one data dot all, then same process. Have to go file menu, load, have to and search for the file, desired file, and press enter. It will ask for yes, switcher is on. You can see 4 keys are on in 0 data all. Multi-view was like that, not come yet, come here, it will come. Yes. So in this way you can work on multiple profile for multiple programs.